Leo is a business that Dan and I envisioned back in 2012. This is the only way we can guarantee that we can do things that we always wanted to do to help ordinary people. And I think it's more than business, it's a philosophy, it's a way of thinking, it's a way of life. People want to achieve more in life. Many people don't realize that there is a journey.
No matter where you are in life, you're going to have challenges. When I look at Leo and I look at some of the people who got involved with us, some of those people in 3 years, their lives are transformed.
ليو سقف أحلامها ما بينتهيش.
做Leo 生意的同时，其实也就是一种享受生活，我觉得非常好。
You will see how good you are, and you will see your potentials which you didn't before know about.
Es ist einfach unglaublich, was in dieser kurzen Zeit von nur
أنا شخص جاهز للانطلاقة.
A dream to make my family to be financially free. I'm an accountant originally. I done it for 18 years. I didn't like it much. I was introduced to network marketing and I was thinking this is where I will achieve my dreams. I went to work and I wrote my resignation, and that was the best decision I ever made.
Življenju, ali pa prvem delu mojega življenja do 21. leta sem bil vrhunski športnik, nogometaš, in takrat v bistvu sem bil v precepu, kaj zdaj, kako naprej. Ponavadi je tako, ko se ti zaprejo nekje ena vrata, se ti na drugi strani pobudi.
Make sure that you live all your dreams. That is what life asks us. What is your dream, and do you have the courage to live it?
那也是 Leo 给到我们每个人所值得去拥有、值得去继续干下去的一种生意。
Leo 是真正来培养大家作为企业家，因为我也有自己想要有自己生意的梦想。
This industry creates more entrepreneurs than any other industry in the world. Age really doesn't matter when it comes to people's dreams, when it comes to people's passion.
Leo's core business is education and e-learning and live seminars and entrepreneurship training.
We're not just another product. This is personal and professional development.
These are the skills people get to learn over the period of time in their professional life.
可以在学校之外，可以去学到，让我们一些更想拥有梦想的人提升自己。
Aber es ist trotzdem, auch wenn es jetzt, sag mal, 5 Jahre dauern würde oder 6 Jahre dauern würde oder 7 Jahre, ist es trotzdem viel, viel, viel kürzer, als ein Leben lang hart in einem ungeliebten Job zu arbeiten.
ليو أضافت لي قيمة قوية جدا جدا. أول حاجة فالمنتج هو منتج تعليمي، ولازم أنا أطور من نفسي وأطور من المهارات الموجودة عندي. ولكن عشان إحنا نقدر نتعلم نشتغل صح ونقدر نكون في مفاهيم ريادة الأعمال الصحيحة هي دي الموجودة في ليو. जो प्रोडक्ट्स थी उससे मैंने बहुत बेनिफिट उठाया। मुझे अपनी लाइफ के अंदर अपने गोल सेटिंग की समझ आई। मुझे ये पता चला कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कैसे बना जा सकता है।
In the direct selling industry, I think this is the best business training platform that you can ever get. All you invest is your time and efforts.
Unsere Live-Seminare, ja, die sind einzigartig von professionellsten Leuten, Trainern der Welt.
अपॉर्चुनिटी है ये, और लाइफ चेंजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी का मकसद ये है कि आपको नॉलेज भी मिलता है, आपके अंदर छिपी सलाहियतें उजागर होती हैं।
The very best part of my job is seeing people be successful after they take what I've taught them and they turn it around into action and they begin to collect the checks.
Weil man lernt auch so viele tolle Leute kennen, dadurch, dass die Produkte halt so aufgebaut sind.
I always knew in my heart that this was an industry that I wanted to be a part of. It empowered women, it gave women choices. Leo can offer women out there who are looking for that business opportunity to have a flexible schedule to make great income.
С Лео мои мечты, скажем так, еще больше воплощаются, потому что я очень люблю.
مش مرتبط بوقت معين إني ممكن أشتغل فيه، لأني الحمد لله بشتغل بحرية في المكان اللي أنا ممكن أشتغل فيه. حريتي إنك تسافر، حريتي إنك اشتغل زي ما انت عاوز في المكان اللي انت عاوزه بالطريقة اللي انت عاوزها مع ناس انت حابب انك تشتغل معاهم.
Dejansko imam bistveno več časa za svojo družino, lahko ga prosto razporejam.
I mean, I have young children myself. This business is designed for busy executives because it's possible to do in a flexible time frame.
So it's all about having that choice of freedom. That is what I call success.
I am not the outspoken person before, but now I am like a lioness. I can stand and roar.
我们中国有一句话，世界上最大的敌人就是自己。
因为没有钱也好，没时间也好，我认为都不过是一个借口而已。
If you don't have time, that's why you need to do this. Once you build your business in parallel to whatever you do in your life, there comes a time that their income from their part-time Leo business surpass their full-time job income. And when they become full-time, they earn even more money. If you want to have money, you have to do things differently. You need to believe in what you do.
因为一个人平时的潜意识，我应该这样说，潜能，他是平时不用的时候2% 都没有。说了一句，人的能量是。
If Leo can in some way help you pass that message on to people, then we can do good work. The greatness inside everyone, that greatness is inside you right now. At the end of your life, someone is going to ask you, what did you do with that greatness?